What's up guys, Sumatek here, and if you have been using Badoo, you might know that it's very hard to change the location in Badoo. It's almost impossible, and I'm going to show you in this video how you can change the location on Badoo app. Okay, so watch the video till the end. Okay guys, I'm on a phone screen right now and you can see I have the Badoo app. I'm gonna firstly launch the Badoo app and show you where my current location is. And then I have launched the app, you can see here. And if you see here, I'm getting the girls from Delhi right here. That means the current location of my Badoo app is in Delhi. You can see all the girls are from Delhi. Yep. Now if we try to change the location on Badoo app using the fake GPS or any other tricks, it doesn't work. None of them works. So I'm going to share you one idea, that is I modified the Badoo app and then changed the location to a specific place. So firstly, before installing that modified app, you just have to do one important setting, that is, okay, I'm gonna show you. Okay, firstly you have to long press on this Badoo app right here, and you can see the I button at the top right side. Just press on that, and this will lead you to app info of Badoo, and you're gonna go to storage right here, and at the bottom right side you can see the clear cache option. You have to press that option and it will clear the cache of Badoo app. This step is very important, you don't want to miss this step. Now I'm gonna install the modified version of Badoo that I modified. Okay, you can see on my file manager right here, I have modified the location of Badoo to Philippines, and the name is Badoo Philippines, you can see here. Now I'm gonna install this app. Okay, it's installing now. Okay, now let's launch it. Okay, one thing you have to remember, and it's very important, is that in this modified version of Badoo, you can log in only with Facebook. If you use the other options, then the Badoo app might crash. So you just the login with Facebook option and then it will work. Okay, now I have used the login with Facebook option and we have successfully entered the page of Badoo. And you can see I'm getting the girls from Philippines. That means it actually works. The modified Badoo app works. And you can see all the girls are from Philippines. Yes, look at the location, Metro Manila. Yep, it has worked. So if you want to change your Badoo location to any specific place, you can just go to my Telegram and then put a request on there. I'll make a modified app for you and then I'll be uploading on my Telegram. So you can just go there and request. It's very easy. I've given you the link of my Telegram in description box. Just go there and request me. I'm gonna make those apps in 3-4 days time period. So yeah, that's the way. Thanks for watching guys. That's the way how you change the location of your Badoo app and then explore to several different countries or chat with other people. And if you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and share it with your friends, relatives and everyone. I'll be coming up with new videos like this very soon, and if you have found this video very useful, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, until next time, peace, bye.